Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this for your career circumstance. And today, we'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys, Capricorn. So let's start with these cards for your general energies, Capricorn. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that will follow this general guidance. So today in your circumstances, Capricorn, maybe you have some kind of confusion or doubts. Something is not right, you may feel something is missing, maybe. So in your work situation, though you are really hard working, determined to do things the right way, and being very responsible, whatever it may be, you see some things not happening as you had hoped for, guys. So some lack of clarity in your circumstances, guys. Something not happening as you expected, though you are a really hard working person, responsible person. But today, Capricorn, there is someone coming. Maybe it may be an arrival of a person, someone to help you out, or it may be some good news coming or some positive announcements. So maybe in your relationship there is this person coming to see you, maybe after a long time. So this may be your person, or it may be a message from them or a letter, some good news coming your way. Or maybe they are planning to propose, or they have accepted your proposal. So some positive news or an announcement is coming today in your circumstances, guys. Something that is making you really happy, and you are happy for the way things are going today, Capricorn. Though you were a lot confused, that is what we saw in the beginning of the reading. But with this person's arrival or with this news, maybe you see things more clearly. You are happy for the way things are going today, guys. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it says choices. So maybe you have choices for yourself in this love. It is not something good or bad, but it is what choice you make based on the truth. So what you truly feel, you must do that, guys, today. So if you love this person and if you feel that you cannot live without them, you can go out of the way to talk to them, maybe to have that communication with them, maybe send that message, whatever needs to be done. But if you do not love this person, if you honestly feel that you don't love them, maybe then you should make that choice. So today, Capricorn, I see that you are making a very honest choice, and it is something good. It is a good news, guys. Maybe you choose this person over and over again every time because you love them. And that is what I see, guys, for your relationship. So for your career circumstances, we have mountain. So there are a lot of obstacles you need to face, you need to overcome. The same way, just what we saw with these cards, there may be some offers or opportunities coming your way, helping you out of some difficult circumstances. So there is a chance for a positive transformation in your work or in your relationship, Capricorn. So for your moon energies today, guys, we have full moon in Sagittarius. Look at the bigger picture. So it just means that instead of feeling negative, thinking of all the mistakes we did or whatever circumstances unfolded in the wrong way and worrying about that, we must see our situation, taking one step back, seeing what are the good things that we have, what are the blessings that we have in this circumstance. When we do that, we are going to feel more harmonious, feel more positive, and we will be able to handle our circumstances in a much better way, guys, Capricorn. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. Capricorn, thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card here. I will keep this card behind. So for those who chose this card, it says responsibility. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship, in your personal life, you are what you think. So the power of your thoughts are that positive intentions, whatever you have, that is going to make the way the things go in your circumstance, guys. So your thoughts are also the reflection of what you are, what kind of person you are. So if you are a responsible soul, you must be really aware of your thoughts, be really conscious, because that is going to create that reality today, guys. So the power of positive thinking, and when you do something based on thoughts, based on purity of love you have for someone, it is going to simply influence the way things go in this relationship or in your personal life. And also, guys, we should avoid being judgmental. We are not aware of the reason why this person is speaking in such a way, or what is influencing their actions or words, what is the motivation behind that. We never have any idea. So we must have that compassion and love towards the people who are there in our life. So when we do that, we will never be judgmental, and we must, as responsible people, we must influence others with the way we handle our circumstances, guys. So we should not put it into words and give them some advice. Instead of that, just by the way we live, just by setting that example for others, we will inspire the people in our life through our actions and through the way we lead our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it says yin. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or your work situation, whatever it is, we are often used to doing things our own way, handling the situation just like we do each and every time based on our knowledge and experience. But today, it may be time you let someone else make that move. Allow someone else. This is the time for you to consciously allow someone, guys. When you do that, you will know what is truly in their hearts. When you permit others to tell you who they are, what they want, and what are their actions, what are their intentions, you will be pleasantly surprised to know the truth and what is in their heart and what they are meant to do. So, even the small gestures and actions are going to give you clarity when you give that power, when you hand over the reins to that other person. So this is the time for you to wait for miracles to unfold, where things are going, how things are shaping up in your relationship or in your work situation. This is not the time for you to take action. This is the time for you to just open up, let love, abundance, and life come towards you, guys, without any demand or expectation on your side. So all you need to do is just wait for things to unfold in your life today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.